What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best air chuck on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Gerchway Tire Inflator Air Chuck. Gerchway Tire Inflator with pressure gauge is built for convenient use with compressors for tire maintenance. Made from brass and measuring 9 by 4 by 1.25 in dimension, it weighs 16 ounces and is designed to handle regular usage. A 4-inch screen helps in pressure reading without difficulty. This inflator comes with a longer hose and swivel air chuck, making it easier to create a firm seal on the valve while allowing hands-free inflation. The rotating mechanism ensures the connector stays secure during use and helps reduce air leaks during connection. The pressure gauge works well for readings between 35 and 50 pounds per square inch, with its full capacity reaching 100 pounds per square inch. The mechanical design removes the need for batteries, which ensures operation anytime without concern for charge levels. With universal compatibility to 1/4 national pipe thread compressor outlets, it connects easily using the included Quick Connect air hose plug. That allows switching between functions like measuring air, inflating, or reducing pressure through the same tool, removing the need for separate equipment. The surrounding rubber protection casing adds extra durability and keeps the tool safe from drops or impacts in workspaces such as garages or auto shops. This attachment helps streamline air management for a wide range of tires, including those used in cars, trucks, bikes, and trailers. Gerchway designed this attachment to be used efficiently and fit most standard compressors, giving users a way to keep tires balanced, safe, and performing properly without extra tools or battery reliance. In our list, the number 4 product name is AstroAI Digital Tire Pressure Air Chuck. AstroAI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge with Inflator is designed to support a wide range of vehicles including motorcycles, sports utility vehicles, trailers, and bicycles with Schrader valves. Built using stainless steel and brass, it offers long-lasting durability for those managing tire care regularly. The unit measures 8.26 by 3.15 by 3.34 and weighs 0.59 kilograms. The device covers pressure levels between 3 and 250 pounds per square inch. Readings are shown clearly on a backlit screen in 4 types of measurements including pounds per square inch, kilopascal, bar, and kilogram per square centimeter. This range supports use for everything from cars to air cushions and sports gear. It connects with 1/4 national pipe thread fittings and includes a rubber hose and a Quick Connect coupler. The locking chuck ensures firm attachment to tire valves during checks or adjustments. This tool helps manage air pressure and reduces risks tied to under or overinflated tires such as sudden tire failure or uneven wear. An integrated bleed valve allows the user to lower excess air directly. Automatic power control helps save battery life by switching off the device after 20 seconds of no operation. This function extends usage between battery replacements and avoids unnecessary power drain. AstroAI Tire Inflator Gauge helps users maintain tire stability, fuel economy, and handling performance by offering precise pressure monitoring and quick adjustment through one tool. It supports daily use and is designed for accuracy and ease during regular tire servicing. In our list, the number 3 product name is EVOULTES Tire Chuck. 2-pack closed ball tire chuck with clip from EVOULTES is crafted from alloy steel, offering a solid build for use with different tire systems. Weighing 0.17 kilograms. This tool features 1/4 national pipe thread size for easy compatibility with air compressors, tire inflator gauges, or hose systems. Its design supports standard connections, making it useful in both commercial garages and home workshops. The clip-on locking mechanism makes attaching it to Schrader valves simple. Once connected, hands stay free while the air flows directly into the tire. This setup helps when checking or adjusting pressure without holding the chuck in place during use. The included male plug lets users connect it to female quick couplers. Thread sealing tape is often added to prevent leakage during operation. Its closed-flow system is made to handle up to 250 pounds per square inch, which covers tires on motorcycles, recreational vehicles, bicycles, buses, and transport trucks. Whether for a single vehicle or a fleet, this tool offers steady airflow for accurate inflation. Each chuck uses a steel lock clip that positions the tool at an ergonomic angle for ease during use. Two-way connectivity provides extra flexibility for different airline setups. The all-metal structure resists damage from frequent use or exposure to harsh elements. EVOULTES air chucks are designed for everyday inflating tasks, offering reliable support for standard tire maintenance. Their construction, connection compatibility, and pressure handling make them a dependable addition to any vehicle care kit. In our list, the number 2 product name is Jaco Tire Air Chuck. Jaco Lightning T-Series Tire Air Chuck is made by Jaco Superior Products and weighs 3.52 ounces. It is designed with open flow, making it useful for tools that operate with inline tire inflators or filler gauges. This part fits 1/4 national pipe thread attachments and is often used in setups that involve air compressors but not for direct hose connection. Its main function is to help control airflow when checking or filling air in tires. This tool includes a dual rotating head that moves in all directions, which makes it easier to reach hidden or tight valve spots. It has a 7-inch extended body that reaches valves placed in deeper or more difficult locations such as those on dual rear-wheel vehicles, large trucks, and travel trailers. Its quick-release button supports fast removal after the tire is inflated, helping to avoid air loss. The internal locking system creates a solid seal around the valve stem. This connection holds firm during use and avoids unwanted leakage. Its automatic grip system means the user does not need to apply continuous pressure while working. That makes the process less tiring and more stable. The part comes from Taiwan and is designed for consistent performance under long-term use. This tire air chuck can help in shops or homes where regular tire care is needed. Its design supports many types of wheels and is made for users who want a lasting, dependable piece for inflation tasks. Always pair this tool with proper inline inflators to avoid setup issues and ensure smooth operation during tire service. In our list, the number 1 product name is AstroAI Digital Air Chuck. AstroAI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge with Inflator is built for use with various tire types across many vehicles. Made with stainless steel and brass, this tool fits 1/4 and 1/2 national pipe thread compressor outlets and connects with standard Schrader valves. The compact size of the gauge is designed to work in limited spaces while still being sturdy enough for demanding environments. It operates across a wide pressure range, reading from 3 to 250 pounds per square inch. The readings appear clearly on its display, helping users check tire levels without confusion. This gauge includes a locking chuck, hose, and bleed valve, which work together to inflate, deflate, and check pressure using one tool. With correct inflation, tires perform better and last longer. This tool helps avoid overinflation or low pressure, which can lead to unsafe driving conditions. It is designed for cars, trucks, sport utility vehicles, motorcycles, recreational vehicles, trailers, and other equipment that uses air-filled tires. Its design includes a quick connect coupler, allowing fast changes between tasks. The automatic shut-off feature extends battery life by turning off the tool after a short delay. This thoughtful design reduces waste and supports more frequent use without needing frequent replacements. Whether it is for home garage use or roadside service work, this inflator helps maintain proper tire function and keeps vehicles ready for travel. Easy setup and strong materials make it practical for users who value safety, accuracy, and convenience in one package. It helps keep driving smoother and ensures tire health is always easy to check and manage.